When combining like terms, the entire variable part must be the exact same, only the coefficient can be different. So let's combine these two trinomials. 3x squared minus 5x plus 8, x squared minus 9x plus 10. These parentheses are only holding this grouping together. So essentially they're not doing anything. They're not making you do what's inside first. They're not showing multiplication. So we can actually ignore them. I'm going to take this 3x squared and add it to this x squared, where the coefficient is 1, giving me 4x squared. I'm going to take this negative 5x and add it to this negative 9x, getting a negative 14x. And the last thing I'll do is take this positive 8 and add it to this negative 10 and get negative 2. Now here, these parentheses are doing more than just holding these together for subtraction, because subtraction is really adding the opposite, and it's the opposite of everything that follows that subtraction, which was a set of parentheses holding all of these terms. So I do need to rewrite this expression so you can see that I now have a negative 1x cubed, a negative 7x, and a positive 5, which is still being added to our 3x squared plus x minus 2. And again, I'm going to group things that are the same and add those together, combining like terms. So our 3x squared and our negative 1x cubed are not the same. So there is nothing else like 3x squared. I'll write down 3x squared. I'm going to go back and grab this negative 1x cubed. And even though there are no other terms like that, I'm going to write it down first. We tend to write our polynomials in descending order, where the highest exponent comes first. And I must include a sign between x cubed and x squared. And since it's a positive, we'll put in a plus sign. This x and this negative 7x are like terms and can be added together for a negative 6x. This negative 2 and this positive 5 can be added together for 3.